Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin on clean skin, immediately remove oil and sweat, and gently pat dry so tretinoin can work. Apply a pea-sized amount of tretinoin to the strip of stretch marks, spreading a thin, even layer. Don't overload. Once done, wait 20 to 30 minutes so the product absorbs into the skin barrier. This reduces dilution and irritation. Make sure to avoid active inflammation or open skin, and prepare Vaseline for later occlusion only after absorption has occurred. Once you're comfortable with the basic application, focus on timing and layering. If irritation starts, cut tretinoin back to every other night or to 2 to 3 times weekly and build tolerance. After absorption, apply a thin layer of Vaseline to occlude the area. This traps moisture and can enhance remodeling while you sleep. Aim for 6 to 8 hours of occlusion. Make sure to use broad-spectrum SPF 30+ during the day because tretinoin increases sun sensitivity and risks pigmentation. You finish by following a consistent routine and tracking changes over 8 to 12 weeks. Collagen remodeling is slow, so expect gradual improvement rather than instant results. If severe redness, blistering, or persistent peeling appears, stop tretinoin immediately and consult a healthcare provider. Do not layer more products to compensate. Finally, maintain skin hydration by drinking water and using emollients. Avoid harsh exfoliants while using tretinoin, and make sure Vaseline.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.